and baking soda react when they're together. So the experiment we're doing is an explosion. So let's get started. You'll need vinegar and baking soda. You can use as much as you like. So let's get started. And you can also use food color if you'd like. Let's add in the baking soda. This is how it reacts when baking soda and vinegar are together. I hope you try this experiment and it's really fun.